Just another groggy Georgia day, cold on the wagon. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to whatever one. I'm Keegan, and today we're gonna be back on some Preza Wagon. At the time I bought it, I knew it had been hit, some damage here, some janky fixing based on the fender. The core support was actually welded. You can see right here, obviously not well because I could just bend it off. Bending the core support back once or twice. Some grimy welds, but it worked for whoever had it. And we're gonna be probably removing all the glass first, just to minimize it in case somebody else needs it. And then we're gonna slowly start with probably the towers, these towers, and this back quarter area. Thankfully, it's super long. And when that Z fits on top of it over there, we got plenty of room to work down. There is some rust here. The bottom of the car looks really solid. I'm not sure what caused the rust on both sides, actually. I might cut that away today, but we're gonna start with the top, cut it down, probably get to the wiring in the back, label it which side's which before we move it. Ideally, we're gonna have everything from this side over here. That way when the car's cut, and this really right across that line, not going to be having to rewire anything. All right, let's get to it. Little leg action. Alrighty, a little out of breath. Had some help from sister, getting the other sister off the bus. She was walking by. Hey, help me pick off the roof from this car. And here she is. Them being nosy, it is what it is. But she's clean. I don't think I hit any wires. I may hit, let's see. I believe there was the antenna wire, yeah. But other than that, pretty clean cuts, you know. I don't want to go farther down. Obviously, it's going to have to be flush. But it's okay. Just to get a majority out. And now I can literally stand in the back and do what needs to be done. Clean it down more. It's easier to remove material than it is to add it from the original shell. So we're going to cut this down and hopefully get it small enough to be able to transport. Got a dumpster at work, and we'll be able to put it down in there. Get back to you. Alrighty guys, I really wanted to tackle these towers today, at least remove the middle, see how far high up it goes or where it's wandering. Took a lot of the roof, trashed it, have to take the other two pieces, this quarters. Really would have liked to done a bit more on investigating the layers, how they're arranged, spot welds. Got some bits coming. Shout out to Josh, paying me back for using them on his car. We'll probably end up removing this whole panel, investigate what's going on in this middle area to here. And sadly, it just took a little too long because of that black adhesive they use to hold these windshields and the quarter glasses in. Tried to avoid making a mess, Made a little bit of a mess. I'm sure you guys saw the clip of me kicking it through the windshield. Just, you know, may as well have a little bit of fun with it if you're still going to clean it up either way. And this is probably episode 1. Hopefully I edited a little bit better with the time lapse video. A little bit of hope there from the sister, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. The next video will probably be a little more in-depth and spliced around in terms of cutting down more of the excess metal, sizing down what needs to stay and what absolutely doesn't belong. Really happy with none of the wires getting cut though. Everything here I labeled what's main sides. It really just follows the one and then it splits off, but it's really easy to follow. And we'll probably end up making some boxes for the door warning on the dash. Just slide it over there, zip tie it, and they'll stay shut. That way that light goes away. Even when the car's off, that light stays on, so it'd constantly drain. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Peace.